and welcome to today's video. We are here in Chipping Norton at Diddley Squat Farm. Yes, Jeremy Clarkson's farm. We're going to be going to check it out, take it inside, and we're going to go a little bit down the road to check out his pub for a nice bit of pub grub as well. And whilst we wait to go in the farm shop, right at the back there, they've got a bar. And a nice bar that serves Hawkstone beer. Jeremy Clarkson's own beer.
Own beer.
And bloody lovely. I've queued less for roller coasters, Joe.
What's the will to live?
We're getting in there. All this for a box of eggs.
Bollock smelling candy.
Cow juice on tap. You want some cow juice?
I love me cow juice.
Mayo. We got some pasta sauce. Jeremy Clarkson's boot. We got some packet of crisps here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, Hawkstone. Hawkstone everywhere. It's lovely, isn't it? Little Caleb, Gerald and Jeremy there. Oh, £4.80 for mayo, £3.75 for pasta sauce, £22 for the boot. Oh, it's £6.10 for a bottle, and then £1.50 for a litre of milk. Got all the Hawkstone cider here, but it doesn't say the price on there. Nice pork pie. Some sausage rolls. Tempting. Homemade pesto and paste. We've got some eggs. And we've got lots of Hawkstone. Some apple juice. Cocktail box. A little bit of shandy. Ooh, ooh. Lager, £3.40 a bottle. I'm racking up quite a total now, so we've got crisps and sausage roll. I got a lager tucked away there. What else can we get? What else can we get? It smells like Yuletide log. And this smells like my wallet. How much? Ow! I know, I did have one bottle the last time you saw me. I upgraded to a whole family.
30, how much?
35 quid for everything.
No, for the lager.
Oh, for that was 30 something. Don't know. Crazy. Would you like to try one of the Diddley Squat potatoes?
I will, thank you.
Potato chips. I need a first reaction.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Very nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. When you go to a chip shop and you have all the little crispy ones at the bottom, it tastes like them. It's got like a fish and chippy tasty thingy.
Rider.
Now that is a view. I'm coming here and you can get Hawkstone and all the local farm shops selling all the homemade produce. There's a Liftles and Thrills on here somewhere, but I don't know which letter it's on. I haven't got a clue. I found one. Yeah, Liftles and Thrills on YouTube. It's another one. Oh, Jeremy's beef chili. I must resist. We've got a pub to go to. Huh? It's so good. It's so good. I don't even drink lager. It's amazing. Spoiling the view.
What's that, my friend? Oh. We have proper anger. What's it doing in here? Get that cinematic view, you dirty bastard.
Oh, it looks good. I think the queue is still pretty long, considering that we have been here quite a while. It just seems to be a constantly reoccurring flow of traffic. It's very popular. It is very, very popular, but probably not as popular as the pub we're going to go to right now. Yes, Jeremy Clarkson's pub. Give you a tour around. We've arrived at the at the Farmer's Dog. Yep, Jeremy Clarkson's pub. We'll take you on a little look around. Hopefully we can get a seat and get some food down us. Show you the menu, show you the prices, and show you that thing behind us, which is actually the same tent used in the filming of the Grand Tour on Amazon Prime. Find ketchup or coffee on the menu. That's because at this particular pub, everything inside is from Diddley Squat Farm or from local produce. Big tractor on the... It's lovely. It's lovely. Grazing menu, but we're waiting for proper food as well. £6.25.
Just cancelling because the prices are so big.
We nice cider in hand. Looks like we're going outside. They're that popular, they ran out of glasses, so they put them in paper plastic cups.
They know we're from up north, that's right.
And what, put them in plastic glasses? Is that it?
Fucking launch out the window.
Lovely atmosphere, lovely land, lovely view. Ooh, cheers. That's £1.50's worth of cider. £1.50.
I got big thighs, I'm sorry.
What? Speaking of the cider, it's actually nicer than the lager. I enjoyed the lager more last time, but this cider is gorgeous. Let's go for a little wander. Show you the lay of the land. Look at this. Thought I'd show you before it's going dark. Time's absolutely flying today. Look at this over here, the Grand Tour tent. Take you for a look inside there after. Loads of land. And Jeremy's house is somewhere in that vicinity-ish, I think. I actually don't have a clue. So we've been told that at 4:30 the online reservations for this place shuts. So then they know exactly how many they've got for table service. So hopefully we can get a table and get some food. But yeah, what a lovely space. Please have a table free. Please have a table free. Gutted. Unfortunately, the reservation is too late. So we couldn't have any food. We couldn't have any food at Clarkson's pub. We're going to show you inside the Grand Tour tent. And yeah, gutted about that. Kind of wanted a nice meal. But they are so busy. And 7 o'clock was the time. And it would be a little bit too far away for us to sort out, unfortunately. So we'll take you in the tent instead. We're in the Grand Tour tent. It is. It's exactly where they filmed. I can see it there. That's exactly where they sat, right there. Looks like they've got more merchandise here than they ever did. Soap. Gerald. Chopping board. We've got Clarkson's Farm top trumps. Socks for a tenner. Okay, they're a little bit expensive. I can't lie there. That's quite expensive. Sherry baby. Well, it's a shame we didn't get food, but we did get to meet Charlie. So that's a silver lining in this otherwise quite fun little vlog. From a Hawkstone. £25 for a baseball cap. £60 for a hoodie. Wow. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Everything else hasn't been too bad, but that's ridiculous. For more random stuff that has absolutely nothing to do with theme parks, hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Bye, bitches.
You called them bitches.
I'm sorry, guys. Bye. Bye.